Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's jump right in. So in this video, we're going to try to add a little scorekeeping system, which shouldn't be very hard. We should be able to do this relatively quickly. First thing I want to do is save the soccer ball as a prefab. That'll just ensure any settings that we have on the ball, the rigid body, the collider, and any additional scripts will be saved in that object. Now, we'll go back to the Blender files and we're going to add the goal. Let's pop that in position and make it look like a real soccer goal. A quick 90-degree rotation on the y-axis. Right now we're just doing one side, and then eventually we'll add the second side. So we're just going to position this right. Alright, line it up with the edge, and perfect. Next, I'll create a cube and pop it inside the goal. We can use that box collider as the trigger. Basically, we want the trigger in the goal. So if the ball hits the goal, we get a point. And I want it to be thin but well-fitting, so if it goes to the front, it's a point, but if it goes to the back, it's not. Don't forget to set the collider to trigger, and then delete the mesh renderer and mesh filter from the cube so we don't see it anymore. I'm also going to rename the trigger Goal Trigger, and then I'm going to add some tags to the goals. I'll call the first one Player Goal/P1, and then another tag called Player Goal/P2. We're going to keep things relatively organized here. So, we could add the tag to the actual goal, but it won't do anything. We really want to add the tag to the specific trigger so we can access it directly. Next, I'll create a new C# script and call it Score Manager. We'll open that up and clear it out. And then I'm going to declare it a singleton, so we can easily access the public variables and methods in this script from any other script. You can use the hashtag region and nRegin to create a collapsible area in your script. So now we do public static Score Manager instance, and then awake where instance equals this. So now we can access the public specifics of this instance from anywhere. Very useful. Next, we'll set the scores as static variables. Public static int p1 score, we'll set it to 0, and the same for p2 score. Next, I'll create another script called score, and we'll attach this one to the ball. But first, let's quickly create a game manager object and pop the score manager script on there. Move it to the top for organizational purposes, and now let's open up the score script. We'll clear it, and then we'll add an onTriggerEnter. So if other.compare tag is player goal/p1, then we want to add a point, so scoremanager.p1 score ++. And then to test it, we'll add a debug.log, p1 score to p2 score. Add the score manager in front of them, and then we'll just destroy the ball. And actually, to make this even simpler, every goal I'm going to reset the scene. Let's go back to the score manager script, and at the top, import unityengine.sceneManagement. Then we'll create a method called resetPositions. In it, we'll call sceneManager.loadScene, and then we'll load sceneManager.getActiveScene.buildIndex. And that should reload the scene every single time we get a goal. Now go back to score, and we'll call public score manager. And in the start method, we'll set it equal to scoreManager.instance, which will cache the singleton. And after we destroy the ball, we'll call scoreManager.resetPositions, and then just copy that for P2, change all the pertinent stuff. Now let's test it out, and every time we get in the goal, there we go. It destroys the ball, and if you look at the console, we're actually getting points here, so it's working. And that's all for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and check out the next one where we handle spawning the ball and creating some bounds. Thanks. Bye.